Hast aber gut hingekriegt. War schön. Scheiße mit der Drohne, aber hast du gut hingekriegt. Sah gut aus. Fünfter Platz. Fifth. I do it later, okay? Please. Go, do me a favor. Do me a favor. Go there. Go to the other side, please. Yes, please. We change it. Thank you for helping. Where are we? Fifth place. Fifth place, ladies and gentlemen. Fifth place. Soul Dance Juniors. Polska. Beautiful. You get the diplomas, ihr kriegt die Diplomas nachher, die werden noch gedruckt, ja? We are printing the diplomas, it takes a moment. Vierter Platz, fourth place. Are you excited here? Are you excited? They don't look at me, they are so concentrated. Vierter Platz, fourth place, Radost Impuls Bohemien, Czeska. Congratulations. Und meine Damen und Herren, heute zum letzten Mal, the last time today, die Fanfare. Dritter Platz and third place on the video. Dritter Platz, third place, bronze medal, Cornele Poland. Cornele Poland. Thank you, thank you. I think you sit down, please, because otherwise you have to stand so long. You sit down, please, yeah? Otherwise you have to just to stand too long. Let's go to the second place. But before we start, we have two countries now. Slovenia. Russia. FM, Russia, kidnapping. Kidnapping. FM. We'll see. We will see, Klaus, huh? I think they have won. They are louder. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's not the competition. You cannot buy anything for that. Zweiter Platz, second place. And the runner-up is Dance FM, Bohemian Rhapsody, Russia. There we are. Очень хорошо. Thank you. Thank you. What a show, the Bohemian Rhapsody. Und danke auch an Tony. Danke auch an Tony, Bohemian Rhapsody. Well done. I think it is better you come a little bit forward. I'm sorry, otherwise it's too tight there. Yes, please. I don't want that people step on you. That's fine. Thank you. Nobody steps on you. Thank you. And here we go with the champs, the junior champions, the world champions in Riesa, the IDO World Championship, the Showdance World Championship. Here in Riesa, the juniors. They are from Slovenia, and the title is Kidnapping. Meine Damen und Herren, ladies and gentlemen, please rise. Please rise. Popo hoch. Good. Thank you. Everybody got a medal? Let's wait for the last medals. Here we go, the Slovenian national anthem, ladies and gentlemen. Come to the photo, please. Kommt mit zum Foto. Eure Lokomotive fand ich obergeil. Wer war denn der Letzte da drin? Irgendeiner von euch war die Letzte bei dem Anhänger von der Lokomotive. Dann hoffentlich kommen Sie mal wieder rum. Ganz toll. Einfach hinsetzen. Aber klar, war klasse. War ganz klasse. Okay. Und den Siegertanz. The winners dance now. The winners dance. Winners dance. Dancers, all other dancers, come here and sit. Come here, come here. Sit here. And let's see the winners dance. Let's see the winners dance. Cornele, come to me. Yes, here or here, wherever you want. Somebody takes the medals.
It was clear. Only one of us would survive. And in the end, it was me.
The search for the 10-year-old schoolgirl has lasted a week. The police still have no idea of her whereabouts.
Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, Hvala lepa, thank you. Thank you all, thank you Russia, thank you Česka, Polska, Slowenien und Deutschland. Dankeschön, thank you. And that's it.